Usually, your Warzone game account is public. Anyone can see the games you play, your bio, and your social connections. If you want to make these info private, follow along. First, go to battle.net with your favorite browser. Then enter your Warzone email and password and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be on the account overview page. Now click on Privacy and Communication from the left side menu. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Update next to the Profile menu. Now just click on this box here and select Only Me from the drop-down menu. Lastly, click on Save and your profile will be made private. You can also make your profile private from Call of Duty Launcher. To do this, first open up the Call of Duty Launcher from your desktop. Then click on your profile icon from the top right corner of the screen and select My Profile. Now this narrow window will pop up. From it, click on this edit icon next to the profile settings. Now click on the box under Profile Visibility and select Only Me. Then click on Save here and your Warzone profile will be private. So that's all you need to do to make your Warzone profile private. If the video helped, please click the like button. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching!